How to delete your Spotify account. First, open the Spotify app. Then tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Then go to Settings and Privacy. After that, go to Account. Then tap Account Overview. Next, scroll up and tap Delete Account. Scroll up again, check the confirmation box and tap Continue Deleting Account. Your first step is now complete. For the second step, you'll be asked to choose a reason for deleting your account. You can select any reason that applies to you. I'll choose the third option. Then scroll up, and if you'd like, leave your feedback. I'll enter some text. After that, tap Delete Account. Your second step is now complete. Now for the third step. Go to your phone home screen and open the Gmail app. You'll receive a new email from Spotify. Open it. Scroll up and tap Delete My Account. Your third step is now complete. Finally, Spotify will let you know that your account will be permanently deleted after 7 days. If you change your mind before the 7-day period ends, you'll receive an email with a reactivate link. Simply tap Reactivate to restore your account. That's it. This is how you can permanently delete your Spotify account. We hope this guide helped you. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more helpful tech content.